we're always exploring. What is the value of life? By focusing on creating the best user experience, by ensuring the whole life cycle is achieved, Haier Biomedical is constantly evolving with new technology in the support of life science with the creation of the IoT Biomedical Technology ecosystem brand. The Haier Group is the world-leading provider of solutions to beautiful life. To date, Haier has established 10 major R&D centers, 25 industrial parks, 122 manufacturing facilities, and 108 marketing centers globally. The Haier Group owns a number of smart appliance brands, including Haier, Casate, GEA, Fisher & Paykel, Aqua, Leader, Candy, and IoT service brands such as RRS, Haier Consumer Finance, Cosmoplat, and Shunguang. 2020, the Haier Group was the first and only IoT ecosystem brand in Brand Z Global Top 100. Brand value $16.3 billion USD. Haier always upholds the principle of prioritizing people's value by adhering to the 3-in-1 development ideas of global R&D, global manufacturing, and global marketing. The Haier Group has initiatively created the Rendam Haier management model in the IoT era. Haier's ecosystem brand and Haier's model are leading the world. Over the past few decades, Haier Biomedical has continuously been investing in cryogenic storage innovations of biotechnology. Haier Biomedical is the only manufacturer in the industry that has won the National Prize for Progress in Science and Technology of China, the second class. It has 187 patents, more than 20 international leading technologies, and 14 American Energy Star certifications. It has also led the drafting of 9 national industrial standards and 1 WHO international standard. Haier Biomedical has a number of product families, including ULT freezers, biomedical freezers, blood bank refrigerators, pharmacy refrigerators, vaccine refrigerators, biosafety cabinets, clean benches, liquid nitrogen containers, plasma apheresis system, and laboratory equipment, to name but a few, and leads the world in biomedical cryogenic storage. Through combining its independently developed 2-stage cascade and auto-cascade refrigeration systems with hydrocarbon frequency conversion refrigeration and other core technologies, Haier Biomedical has achieved the full temperature range from -196 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, and complete product and solution coverage. Haier Biomedical independently developed Solar Direct Drive Vaccine Refrigerator has subverted the conventional battery electricity storage method. Despite power shortages in Africa and other regions, Haier Biomedical's vaccine refrigerators can guarantee the safe and secure storage of vaccines for children, even during a power outage for up to 120 hours, which makes it the first brand in China that has passed the WHO PQS certification. Relying on innovative technologies, Haier Biomedical consistently provides support for aerospace, marine scientific research, and other national major strategic projects. To date, we have also delivered products to more than 120 countries and regions, such as North and South America, Europe, Africa, and Australia. Haier Biomedical's responsibility and concern benefits everyone along the Belt and Road to achieve the leap from domestic coverage to global expansion. Based on IoT blood refrigerators and other networked appliances, the uBlood experiential ecosystem has linked blood collection, emergency blood use, surgical blood use, and other scenarios together. We have upgraded the traditional one-way centralized physical blood supply mode to the initiative two-way distributed data sharing mode, ensuring zero waiting for first aid, zero waste of blood, and zero distance of information, and creating both economic value and life value. Based on smart vaccine inoculation refrigerators and other networked appliances, the U-Vaccine experiential ecosystem has linked the vaccination entrance, exit, and other scenarios together, ensuring the last kilometer traceability of the vaccines, preventing problem vaccines from entering and incorrect vaccines from being taken out, matching the person to the vaccines, and making them transparent and visible. Based on IoT, ULT freezers and other networked appliances, the U-Biobank experiential ecosystem has linked sample collection, storage, application and other scenarios together, creating a cloud network system, enabling accurate sample positioning, one-key access, information traceability, On October 25, 2019, Haier Biomedical announced its listing on the Science and Technology Innovation Board of Shanghai Stock Exchange officially, relying on its IoT science and technology ecosystem model. The Haier Biomedical IoT factory was fully put into use at the beginning of 2020. It is the world's largest R&D and manufacturing base for low-temperature cold chain and biosafety industries. It is also the first industrial base that has applied the industrial internet model. Its 5 production lines, utilizing the IoT intelligent production and manufacturing of U-Biobank, U-Vaccine, U-Blood, U-Reagent, and biosafety, as well as CO2 incubator, centrifuge, and other solutions respectively, thus building an IoT factory system featuring on-demand design, on-demand manufacturing, and on-demand distribution, and making the whole manufacturing process highly flexible to meet the customer's personalized customization needs. AGV logistics channels. Customer order process can be queried. Manufacturing information can be traced. Full LBA phoning system. Visual SPC quality management system. Independent research and development of vacuumed and pressure holding area, and using IoT big data in the factory for management of plant material general assembly. The Haier Biomedical R&D Experimental Big Data Center is a vital link in the company's efforts in technology research and development. All new products must be tested and verified at the center, and only after the highest of standards and quality have been met and approved by the laboratory can the products be mass-produced in the factory. The center currently operates 18 laboratories focused on product performance, safety, electromagnetic compatibility, transportation, reliability, and quality user experience respectively. The center is capable of testing a full range of products for vaccines, blood, biological samples and reagents within the temperature zone of -196 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, including cold chains, biological safety cabinets, and CO2 incubators in accordance with industry, national and international standards. Additionally, it has successively passed the American UL Energy Star, America UL, and Europe CE Witness Laboratory Qualification certifications during 2020. Our 4 scientific and technological achievements have included, but are not limited to, the following: the Smart Blood Network and the Smart Vaccine Network, both having been rated as the world's leading solutions in this category. At Haier Biomedical, we have been working towards and reaching commanding heights of biomedical technologies. We are constantly evolving as needed to meet the latest global requirements in biosafety. By having this important and significant focus on improving global health, we continuously promote the need for the upgrade of public health in the biosafety industry sector. Through the Cosmo LIMS IoT management system test, which includes order management, equipment management, standard management, and quality issue closed-loop management is achieved. This process forms a complete set of experimental management system for products, which achieves the traceability of experimental information, improves the management of product design quality issues, and promotes product quality improvements under the drive of the IoT technology. As a practitioner of the Internet Factory upgrading of the group's Cosmoplat platform, Haier Biomedical has walked down a road of creating an independent brand. From independent innovation to independent R&D and independent manufacturing of products. As the road is long, we will keep exploring and leading the industry in R&D and innovation to support health systems all across the world. In the face of the outbreak of COVID-19, Haier Biomedical has taken the lead in donating medical equipment to core areas of epidemic prevention, demonstrating its sense of corporate responsibility and leadership as a world-class national enterprise. Cloud connectivity for biomedical products and solutions to create an interstellar ecosystem. We will continue to explore the value of life and evolve new technologies to improve people's lifetime well-being and carry forward the ecosystem together.